Imagine yourself in this Ram 2018 3500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include fifth-wheel gooseneck towing prep group, keyless geo included, remote proximity keyless entry, clearance lamps, quick order package 2FH Laramie included, engine 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed automatic 68 RFE front armrest with cup holders, chrome tubular side steps, spray and bed liner, flame red clear coat, dual rear wheels included, tires LT235/80R17 EBS WAS wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 polished aluminum dual rear wheel fender flare tracking clearance lamps tire pressure monitoring delete 17 steel spare wheel 6,000-pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps and tires, LT235/80R17 E owl on off-road.